Hi everyone, City here. We have a Frymaster electric fryer. Today we will be making a video trying to show how to program your menu to the computer. For this one it's a split path, as you can see, and we'll just try to use the left side for now. Return to our fryer, and to go to programming mode you have to enter code 1650. Then it will show you the set point of the oil. This one is 370. You can change it to for example 350. It depends on the oil that you are using, and once you put in through the desired set point, you just lock it in like this. Then it will give you the, as you can see here, select product for the left side, because we have the left frying pan. You select your product now here. For this fryer you can use from the buttons labeled L 1 2 3 4 5 for to program your menu, your items that, or the food that you want to cook in the left side. For example, we will choose like oysters, I don't know, for the number one, for example. Since it gives us 5 seconds, it reads 5 seconds. That's the sensitivity. Sometimes when the food gets cold, or usually it's cold before you drop it in the frying pan, the fryer takes 5 seconds to sense the temperature of the product. That way it will cook it the correct way. If you choose to wait more, you can put more. You can just choose any number. If you don't want even the fryer to sense the product temperature, you just put in 0 and you lock it in, and that's it. For the cook time, for example, you want to cook, you want to fry the oysters, because that's what we have on the number one. For example, for 5 minutes, I don't know, it depends on how many ounces you put in your baskets, how many or how much you want to cook at the same time. So for example, we'll put just 5 minutes and you lock it in. And if this SH, that means it shake. It's for example, when you are cooking like oysters and you want to cook them for 5 minutes, for example, and after like 3 minutes you want to shake your basket, your food inside the basket, you just put in like 3 minutes like this, and after 3 minutes you will hear a sound that is asking you to shake your basket inside the pot. If you want 2 minutes, you can. It depends. You can enter the desired time. Then you check it in, and the HD means hold. For how long the food has to be held. According to Frymaster, it can go from 13 seconds to up to 60 minutes. For example, you put in 15 or 20, or it doesn't matter. It's up to you to choose the desired time to hold. Then you check in like this. The first one is the first product, oyster, is programmed now. We'll go to the next one. For example, we will choose like chicken. The sensitivity again 4 seconds or 6 seconds or 5 seconds, for example 5 seconds. Lock it in. The cook time, for example, we will put for example 6 minutes 30 seconds. Lock it in. If you want to shake your chicken before it gets done completely, after, for example, maybe 3 minutes 45 seconds, for example, you do like this, and for the whole time, if you just don't want to hold, you just put in 0 like this, and this is how you do it. For example, you want French fries, you just select, for example, number 3 for French fries. For the sensitivity, if you don't want sensitivity, you can just put in 0. You lock it in. For the cook time, it depends on how much French fries you put in basket one time. For example, I will choose, for example, 1 minute 15 seconds. You lock it in. If you don't want to shake if cooked, you just leave it like this, 0, and you lock it in. Whole time, for example, 15 seconds, for example, and you lock it in. And to lock in every program that we did now, you have to press in the temperature switch like this, and that's how you do it. If you ever enter to programming mode by mistake, pressing this check button by mistake, you have just to press it another time to get out of it. Sometimes you can just leave your computer like this, and you put like a label like this beside the computer, so the operators of the fryers will know which number here in the computer is related to the food that you want to cook, like this one French fries. Or you can simply print some stickers like this, and you stick them. I recommend that the stickers will be like oil resistance, because they will be exposed to the oil all the time. This idea will help you, to manage your cooking time and to manage your fryers. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. You have a good day. Stay greasy.